Y'all, Sunny Anderson, the hostess of Cooking for Real. She is in my kitchen today, and guess what it's all about, y'all?
What?
Butter!
Oh my goodness.
In honor of Sunny and me, it is all about butter today. The first thing I'm gonna make, Sunny, sour cream butter biscuits. These take me back to my bag lady days when I'd make little cold chicken salad plates or something like that. I would stick a couple of these in there so they could feel like they just had a little bite of bread. Simple, simple. We are gonna start with 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Do you love that?
2 sticks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the stick count.
Okay.
2 sticks
Actually,
so far.
it's just 1 cup, y'all. And Sunny, if you would measure me out 2 cups of self-rising flour.
Okay.
So we're not gonna have to add anything to this. It's gonna just rise on its own.
I have wanted to touch this measuring cup so long.
Don't you love those measuring cups? And you know, I use them like if I've made a pot of soup, I'll use those to
ladle out?
Ladle my soup out. I mean, I use them for so many things.
I'm making a mess in your kitchen.
Oh, that's all right. You have to make messes when you're in the kitchen, and that's all right. You can clean it up. All right, so let's see if we can work that in.
Okay.
The butter is still a little bit firm, so I don't know if we're gonna need a
My grandma?
biscuit cutter.
She used to always
Is
have
your grandmother
butter.
still alive?
Yes, she is.
Oh.
Hey, Grandma. She's in North Carolina.
Hey, Granny! A Southern Granny.
A Southern granny that always had butter on the counter when we came to
And don't
visit.
they make you feel so secure, and they're so nurturing.
Yes, yes, yes. I usually gained weight visiting in the summer.
Yes,
I'd go
yes.
home and my parents would say, "What have you been eating?" Everything. She never said no, no matter what she made. And then she'd always give me a couple of nickels and quarters to go to the candy store and buy some candy after dinner. So,
yes.
Good old Grandma. You know, I think I have to get my hands in here.
Good.
Okay.
Because, you know, I like to, too. I said, these are the best tools right here.
Yeah.
The warmth from your hands, y'all, will help break down that butter.
Yeah. Always works out better with your hands.
Mm-hmm. I like to feel my food.
All the senses.
Yes.
Smells good, tastes good, looks good, feels good.
Real good. And while you're doing that, Sunny, they got a lot of butter in it, y'all. There's a good chance they won't stick.
Okay.
But, you know, I just like to make sure. I like to give them a little helping hand, y'all, to make sure they come out. And then I'm gonna add 1 8-ounce container of sour cream.
Oh my God, okay, my hands gotta get out of here.
Okay.
Can I wash them?
Yes. That whole carton of sour cream.
So that's just flour, butter, sour cream?
Self-rising flour, butter, and sour cream. And women in Albany, Georgia, where I grew up, they just swear by these at all the little parties, all the little girly parties. Come up here, honey, and grab you a spoon, and we're just gonna drop these in, and you know, about like that.
Okay.
Just little bites.
When I'm in the kitchen and I'm trying to figure out what to eat, every day I want something new, which is really good for the job.
Oh my gosh,
you know?
well that works out great for your show.
Yeah, and I dream food. Don't you dream food? You just wake up and you're like, I would like to have this.
Listen, let me tell you, this morning, you know, Michael works on the river, so he works crazy hours. And sometimes during the night, he said something to me, and I said, yeah, pick me up one if it's in copper. Huh? I guess I was buying cookware during my sleep. And he tried to get me to say some more, and he said he could. He said I went right back to sleep. So I know I was dreaming of cookware, y'all.
Too funny. That's your real mind thinking right there.
Yeah.
The only time I've ever talked in my sleep, I was told I was firing everybody. But I have no employees, Paula. So I don't know what that was all about.
Well, listen, I heard something else about you, Sunny. I heard that you were one heck of a DJ.
Yeah.
Are you still on the radio?
No, I'm not on the radio anymore. You know, I started radio in the military, and I did it kind of like Good Morning Vietnam, but in Korea. And I worked from San Antonio to New Orleans to Montgomery to Detroit, and I finally got to New York.
And I heard you were so good.
I loved it.
Y'all, we're gonna put these biscuits in a preheated 400-degree oven.
Okay.
For about 15 or 20 minutes. So we'll slide those in.
Thanks.
Biscuits are ready. Have you ever had a biscuit like this?
Let me tell you a taste.
Well, wait now, you got to have your little herb butter.
Oh, it's really light.
Isn't it good?
I like it, it's just like a few ingredients. I'm doing it on the other side. So I look like I'm double dipping.
Oh my gosh.
It's bad?
To the bone.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.